The primary part of the kit is the Lux Spectralis LED kit, and I am going to be making a video for each step of this instruction guide. So separate video for each, and if you already know what's going on and you don't need help with it, feel free to skip the video. You aren't gonna break my heart, but make sure to follow the book, please. Let's start with step one, identifying the parts. You have a pink bag in your kit which has a bunch of parts in it, so you want to pour all these out and lay them out so you can see what you have to deal with here. Okay, so we've got a battery pack, which you will have batteries included. There is a little screw. That little screw serves no other purpose than to seal up the battery pack. It's optional. If you want to prevent kids from getting into the battery pack, you could put the screw in when we're all done. There is a little switch. This will not be used because we are going to be replacing this little switch with an external, what I call the pigtail jacks. So it's in the kit, but you won't need it. There are 3 resistors, 2 of one type, 1 of the other. To separate them, the one of the other has a green band on it. You'll have 3 LEDs, which you'll have no idea which color is which, but that's okay. We're going to find out later. And you have the small printed circuit board with the microcontroller chip already installed but not soldered. We're going to have to solder that, but it's already installed. So those are the parts. If you have any missing parts, and I hope to goodness you don't, let me know right away. Send me an email and I'll get you a fresh kit. So on to step 2.